I'm on a road trip from Stockholm to the far north of Sweden to see all kinds of weird and wonderful things along the way. This lovely morning I'm going husky riding. Well, not on the huskies themselves, on a dog sled. And I'm dressed up like an Eskimo because it's bloody minus 20 degrees here. Whew. And I'm still gonna freeze half to death. Preparations before we can go. You have to beat the windshield wipers a bit. That's a custom here in Sweden. The dogs are so anxious to get going. The dogs have to be calm before we can take off. That's why we're stopping in the middle of a frozen wasteland.
Oh no, I'm stopping because we're waiting for everyone else.
Oh, I see. I thought they were pretty calm. I got an introduction to the dogs. The one to the left up front is called the Kiruna, I think. Then it was Blomma, Fläder, Smultron, and Björne. Say hello to the dogs! Snow and ice everywhere. But the coldest one you did was minus 38, right?
Yeah, 2018.
Oh, bloody hell.
Yeah, it was really cold.
So this is the halfway stop. Oh, look at the snowy dog. Oh, I have to put on a pair of extra gloves. It's a wee bit cold today. They're so anxious to go. Hi.
Och tillbaka på bromsen.
Yes.
Ännu hårdare på bromsen.
Yeah. Woohoo! This is bloody awesome. The sound of cracking ice, just what you want to hear on a river.
Putta på lite. Kommer jag putta upp i backen också.
Pull, pull! So, am I mushing right now?
Yes, you are.
It sounds weird, and you do this every day.
Yeah.
Wow. Oops. Bit of a tangle. Are you ready? Hike. Tired dogs after all the running, and dogs that haven't gotten to run yet. Oh, look, they're jumping in the back. And after a good run, the dog needs a massage as well. Well, that was a completely amazing experience. Excited dogs and snow, winter. It's marvelous. I hope you enjoyed it. I did, except that I can't feel my fingers anymore. So like and subscribe, but most importantly, have a great day.